Hi, thank you for coming to watch this video on Super Profit Scalper by Carl Dittman. At any time during this video you want to come to the same exact page that I'm on to watch the video or just to follow along. If you don't want to watch this whole video, that's fine. Just click the link in the description area below the video. If you're not able to see the description, depending on what device you're on, you might have to click on the title of the video, or there might be a little arrow beside the title of the video, and it'll open a description, and you can get this discount link in the description area. But this is the Super Profit Scalper by Carl Dittman. Apparently you've been doing some trading, not being successful, or else you're new to trading and you want to be successful and get huge profits daily. Then you need to come check out this page that I'm on. It's the discount page. Carl Dittman, if anyone knows him, this is his new 2017 release and update for this. This is a picture of the software at work. It tells you when to sell, when to buy. It's based on the pips and 200 pips daily. So anyhow, if you're really wanting to know Carl's secret sauce, he'll send you email alerts directly to your email or your phone, so you can be right on top of the market and you know how to do this. It doesn't matter if you have a lot of knowledge or little knowledge. That's not the way it is. He's made this completely very simple to follow. So just click the link in the description area below the video. Check this out for yourself. Do your due diligence, and good luck with your trading. So just click the discount link below or go to reviewforyou.info/PS. You'll get your discount link and be well on your way to having huge profits with Carl Dittman's Super Profit Scalper.